Hi guys, do you set the column width like this? I have some text here like serial number, then name, then father name. So you can adjust the column width like this. So it takes time and more difficult to set the column when the data is more in your Excel sheet. So you can adjust the column width like this. You can try this. Go to sheet, right click on this, go to view code. Here there is a select journal, so you can select the worksheet and type this code. So you can type this code in worksheet and enter. So go to Excel sheet and type here serial number. So here we can see that automatically they are adjust the column width. Then type name, then father name. Here we can see that they are automatically adjust the column with respect to text. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe my channel.